Let's take a look at these two bridges from above with a drone. The Notojima Ohashi Bridge was completed in 1982 and is the longest bridge in Ishikawa Prefecture. It connects Noto Peninsula and Noto Island with a total length of 1,050 meters. With the opening of this bridge, Notojima's tourist development has progressed and the Rinkai Park Aquarium has been built. The 620-meter-long twin bridge of Noto is a suspension bridge installed as the second access method to Noto Island following Notojima Ohashi Bridge. There is a park on the Noto Peninsula side of the bridge, and there is an observation deck overlooking Nanao Bay.